In this problem, we're asked to simplify the square root of y minus 8, that whole quantity, squared. So there are several different ways of doing this, but I think one of the easiest is using your tried and true method of FOIL. So remember, when we square a binomial, it just means I have to multiply it by itself. So I'm going to get the square root of y minus 8 multiplied by itself, the square root of y minus 8. So now all I have is two binomials multiplied together. And how do we do that? We do it using FOIL. So first, square root of y times the square root of y is the square root of y squared. Outer, the square root of y times negative 8 is negative 8, the square root of y. Notice when I'm multiplying a radical by a whole number, the whole number stays outside and the radicand stays inside. Negative 8 times the square root of y is just negative 8, the square root of y. And negative 8 times negative 8 is positive 64. So now all we have to do is simplify our answer. And what's the square root of y squared? It is y, as long as y represents a positive real number, which we assume it does for these problems. Now, how about this term here and this term here? Are they like terms? Is the radicand the same as this one? I have a square root of y and a square root of y. They are definitely like terms. So I have negative 8 the square root of y added to negative 8 the square root of y, so it's negative 16 the square root of y, and then my plus 64. Now, are any of these like terms? Can I combine them? No, so here is my answer.